Are you looking for a healthy fruit puree for your baby from 6 months and above? Here it is. This Pear Puree is all your baby needs to get all the nutrients he or she desires. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Here I'm having about 8 pears for my baby. People, this is semi-ripe, overripe, and normal-ripe pears. So I'm going to be doing what? Cleaning up all of these, and then we'll start the peeling off of the skin. At this point, I've already washed with salt and lukewarm water, and I've peeled off, and now I am doing what? Chopping it into bits. Enjoy this part.
Welcome to the kitchen, where we cook with love. Mum Essy cooking up magic like stars above. Spice and flavor dancing, feel the vibe.
Remember to peel off the skin thoroughly, and also make sure everything is nicely washed and cleaned. As you can see in this video, the way I'm chopping this, I'm chopping it in a way that when I steam it, it will easily cook, and then I will be able to blend without stress. So I'm taking off this batch, and then I will continue with the other parts. I hope you're enjoying every bit of this video. And do you know that this is very, very healthy for your child, because it aids digestion, it helps the stomach, it also helps them not to be constipated. Benefits of all of this you'll find in the description box. At this point, I've finished actually cleaning up, and now I'm about to steam, and make sure the water covers the whole fruit in the pot. So switch on the heat and then start to cook on medium-low heat, and make sure you cook for about 6 to 7 minutes, or until you see that it has achieved the tenderness which enable you to blend without stress. Remember that pear is naturally soft and it doesn't take time to cook. As you can see, this is ready, and now I'll be bringing in my jar to blend. At this point, like this video, share to your friends and families. Also, don't forget to leave a resounding comment at the end. And in case you're new, this is the time to hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be alerted every time I upload new videos. And people, remember to check out all my other baby series that I have made in this channel. I have recipes for baby, a playlist on its own. Make sure you check it out. And also, I'll be linking that in the description box, so at your convenience, go through it. And also, people, you can check out what this blending process is looking like. I tell you, my baby actually enjoyed this. This video is on real time, and that means I just produced this video as you're watching it. Okay, look at the puree, and people, let me give you a testimony about this recipe. Are you ready to listen? Yes, I actually gave this to my baby, and then it helped him to go to the toilet. Did you understand? Meaning that it softens the stomach. In case your baby is having constipation, this aids it for him or her. And people, don't forget to try this, because it is healthy, packed with vitamin C. Did you hear that? Check out every benefits of this recipe in the description box. This is the second batch, and that is also the last batch. Remember, when you blend, get your jars or cups or anything you have that has a cover to pour it in, just the way I'm doing this. This is the one I'm serving my baby, and people, oh my word, he wanted more, but I had to stop so that he doesn't get overfed. Did you understand? Yes. And this is it. It's all well sealed. Look at how everything is looking. And I tell you, people, making your baby food at home is the best thing you can ever give to your growing baby, because you're sure of the natural nutrients that this baby will be enjoying. Let me also give you a tip in this video. When you make something like this, you can add it to the cereal and give to your baby to enjoy. In case that baby doesn't like cereals, he's going to enjoy because of this pear in the food. Thanks everyone for watching up to this time, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Remain blessed. Bye bye.